There are continued calls from local, state, and religious leaders for Governor Kathy Hochul to fully fund Medicaid across the state.
They're also calling on the state to protect and expand the Affordable Care Act. Right now, we are joined by Reverend Mark Blue, president of the NAACP's Buffalo branch. Reverend Blue, thank you so much for being here this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
So first, let's just start with what are the health disparities, the issues that you notice right here in our community?
Well, one of the things that's happening, even last year, hospitals have been closing. In the Lockport Hospital has closed because of financial instability. Also, Mount St. Mary's Hospital, they have now transitioned. They don't have the same number of beds that they used to have. So leaving just really 2 hospitals in Niagara County alone. But here in Buffalo, we're facing some of the same crises and same issues. When Medicaid is being funded at 30% less than the actual care that is given to individuals. So you have hospitals, nursing homes, and doctors who are only getting 70% Medicaid when they're taking care of the total 100% of the person. And our governor, Kathy Hochul, can fix this by fully funding Medicaid, and we need to do that now. The NAACP has pretty much been doing a full court press on this because this is not just a human right, this is a civil right. And we need to make sure that all of our vulnerable people, our seniors, our youth, and those who are disabled are receiving the proper health care, especially expecting mothers. It's very important and very critical, especially for low-income individuals, to receive the full amount of health care that the jobs health insurance is covering. They're covering 100%. So Medicaid needs to be fully funded, and we're calling on Kathy Hochul, our governor, Kathy Hochul, to fully fund Medicaid and do that now.
You mentioned at the top, this is kind of a full court press on behalf of the NAACP and others, and it very much is. There are a number of unions, SEIU 1199 and others. This is a very big and a statewide effort.
Yes.
Pounding on the doors there in Albany of the legislature to say, help us. We need this 30% represents millions and millions and millions of dollars for these facilities. Number one, do you think that is making some headway? Do you think legislators and the governor are listening, that they're actually going to make a different decision? Because they would have to make a different decision.
They would have to make a different decision. We realize that we've had a press conference before. We've had Senator Tim Kennedy was there. We had our legislators, all of our legislators were pretty much there, making on both sides of the aisles. Yep. Now this is totally different. Both Republican and Democrats are really realizing that this is impactful to our community, impactful to our voters, and we're calling for our governor to make a decision. Let's do this. Be the hero. I'm sorry, be the shero that you are, and fully fund Medicaid. My faith tells us that what we do to the less fortunate, we also do unto God. So we need to make sure that we're doing this right and making sure that our people, our communities, are being taken care of.
You know, to go off of that, you mentioned why it's important for the Buffalo branch of the NAACP to be a part of this. But as a faith leader, your other hat, why it's important for you to be part of this conversation.
Well, I have a member who was looking to be in a healthcare facility just for rehab. He had difficulty going to a healthcare facility that we selected because of his health situations. And they look at all of that when they look at accepting people. How much will we have to care for this individual, knowing that he's only or she is only receiving 70%, so that 30% shortfall is being taken up by that healthcare facility. So nursing homes, hospitals, and even doctors. Some doctors are not even accepting patients who have Medicaid. So it's very important that our residents, our families, our friends, our constituents, our members receive Medicaid to the fullest extent, and that is funding it for 100%.
Reverend Mark Blue, thank you so much for being here. That is all the time that we had. This is such a massive issue, and of course, we're just getting underway with the fiscal priorities of the state. So this is one we're going to continue to watch.
Absolutely, but now let me just add one little snippet here. On the 21st, at the Meriwether Library, 1324 Jefferson Avenue, we're going to have a forum. We're asking people to come out, be a part of that forum, and receive more information because we want Medicaid funded fully right now.
Reverend Blue, say that date again.
The date is February the 21st, February 21st, at the Meriwether Library, 1324 Jefferson Avenue.
And in case you at home missed it, we, of course, will make sure we have all of that information up on our website, WIVB.com. Reverend Blue, thank you so much for being here this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
Chief Meteorologist Todd Santos tracking some snow out there.